Query successful. Try again without apps. Ready to finally stop dipping into your vacation fund for those impulse buys? We've all been there. You have one big savings account, and all your goals, emergency fund, down payment, new gaming PC, are just lumped together. It makes it almost impossible to track your progress and so easy to accidentally spend the wrong money. But what if you could have all those separate savings funds, all in one place, still earning you great interest? That's exactly what Ally Bank savings buckets are for. This simple tool is a game changer for organizing and managing your financial goals right within your Ally savings account. Here's a quick guide on how to set them up and manage them like a pro. The first step is to create your buckets. Log into your Ally account and head over to your high-yield savings account. You'll see an option to organize or manage buckets. Click that, and you can start adding your goals. Give each one a clear name, like Emergency Fund, Next Car Down Payment, or Trip to Rome 2026. You can create up to 30. Next, set your goals and deadlines. Once a bucket is created, you can choose to set a target amount and a target date. This is one of the most motivating parts. Ally will then calculate and show you exactly how much you need to save each month to hit that goal on time. It turns a vague idea into a concrete plan. Now for the managing part. The key to successful savings is automation. Ally offers several boosters to make this simple. The most basic is recurring transfers. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your Ally savings account on payday. When the money hits, you can tell Ally exactly how you want it distributed across your buckets, say, 50% to your emergency fund, 30% to the down payment, and 20% to that Rome trip. This makes saving truly set it and forget it. Another great tool is Surprise Savings. Link an external checking account, and this booster will analyze your spending habits to find safe to save money, small amounts you won't miss, and automatically move it into your Ally savings, distributing it across your buckets based on your priorities. It's like finding free money. Finally, tracking and adjusting. Ally gives you a visual progress bar for each bucket, which is a fantastic motivator. But life changes, and your savings plan should too. If you get a bonus, you can always make a one-time manual transfer to boost a specific bucket. If an emergency pops up, you can withdraw just from the emergency fund bucket, leaving your other goals untouched. Just go to your buckets, hit distribute, and move money as needed. By turning one big pool of cash into clearly defined, tracked, and automated buckets, Ally makes managing multiple savings goals simpler and more effective than ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.